kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Ott. Today we are going to talk about the beginning sound and the ending sounds of words. I have 4 objects on my whiteboard. I have gold, a pig, a star, and a bracelet. So together you're going to help me find the beginning sound and the beginning letter and the ending sound and the ending letter of each object. I'm going to write each beginning sound or beginning letter in front of the object, and I'm going to write the ending sound after the object. Notice I use lowercase letters. Okay, this is gold. Can you say gold? Tell me the first sound of gold. G, g, gold. And what sound goes g? Lowercase g. Good job. What's the last sound of gold? D, d. And that letter is? Lowercase d. Okay, what about pig? Give me the first sound. P, p for P. Pig, g, g, g. G. How about star? Yep, S, and that letter is? S. Star. And that last sound is? R. The last one is bracelet. What's the first sound of bracelet? B, b, b. Lowercase b. Bracelet. T. And the last letter is? Lowercase t. Very good. Today you are going to be doing this with pictures. So we're going to talk about how you're going to set up your pictures on your paper, and we'll get started on that lesson here in just a minute.